Hello everyone. This is a recording for the final exam review for IST219. Okay. So as usual, we will be utilizing Lably, okay, to conduct the examination. All you need to do is basically log into your uh, Lably account and go to VMs. You will find final exam VM there. After you log in, of course, you need to know the basic commands: host name, who am I, okay, date, okay. Other than that, so you need to print the current host name, the current user, the current working directory, okay. The clear command, you need to know how to do it. And remember, you need to use the copy screenshot to clipboard button whenever required, okay. The basic commands are required. Of course, you need to list what are the folders available. You need to change directory. If I tell you, please move into pictures directory. So you need to type cd pictures. Okay, tab. If I tell you, go back one directory. So cd dot dot. Okay. If I tell you to create a tar file. So as we did in, I think, lab 6. So cd pictures, for example. And if I want to create a tar file, we use the tar command. So tar create file for verbose, okay, create verbose file, and then we will mention, for example, mountain and sheep. And of course, you need to specify the file name. So I'd say my file dot tar, okay. So how to know if the file is created? You need to type ls or ls dash l. So this way I can see the file size also. Other than the tar command, you need to know the nano command, okay? So again, if I tell you, please go to your home directory, you type in cd only, okay? If I tell you edit a file, so if there was a file in home directory, let's create one, touch test.txt, okay? If there was a file called test.txt, you need to open it with nano. So you type in nano and then test. Okay, once you are inside of nano, you can type whatever. You can move your cursor up and down. Okay, how to save in nano? See what does it say here? This means Control X. So I'll type Control X. Then it says you want to save modified buffer. You'll say Y. Then enter. Okay. I know there's a bug in nano. Just type clear. And then if I tell you, show me the content, print the content of the file. So the file we just edited was what? Test.txt. So to show the content, type cat test.txt. Okay, this will print out the content of the file. Uh, if I tell you show only files that start with C, for example, let's cd to pictures. Right now in pictures we have sky tree. Okay, if I tell you only show files that start with the T character, so you type in, for example, ls t star, right? Only T is printed. If I tell you show files that start with S, ls s star, okay? So this is how we use meta characters. If I tell you to copy files, so create a copy. So you need to use the cp command, cp sky, for example, and create sky copy copy.jpg, and then ls. So I can see there are two copies. And again, remember, pay attention to your current working directory. So type cd whenever you're done. So you go back to your home directory. And these are really the kind of questions that you might expect in the final examination. Okay. Very simple, really. I think there will be around five main questions, only five. And for each question, there are three steps or two steps or four steps maximum. Okay, like this one. And these are the main commands. Again, the main commands ls, okay, cd, uh, nano, meet the characters. So ls with star and ls with all details dash l. Um, cat, of course, and that's it, really. These are some of the main commands you expect. And this is it. We will be using Lably through Save Exam Browser, so you need to use the copy screenshot to clipboard functionality, most likely. Okay, this is it. Good luck, and see you in the next tutorial.